This is Jonah. I'm waiting for someone. Time for another word. Indian, or in Ilonggo slang, Indian. That's a person who doesn't show up or stands you up in a meeting. This is not appearing anytime, so that's an Indian for me. Indian means being stood up. Now, when you're waiting for someone and that someone doesn't show up, it's called Indian. Nothing to do with the Indians or Indian. It's pronounced as Indian. It means that the person who has arranged for the appointment or date or meetup failed to show up. So he or she is called an Indian. It could be spelled Indian, as in Indian, but pronounced Indian. There's no official spelling to it as well, as it's a relatively new word that was coined very lately. Hope she shows up, or else she is certified an Indian. I already texted her twice and I haven't received a reply. And I'm happily being Indian because this is an opportunity for me to record this video. I am here at the lobby of Cityscapes Residences here at 6th Street. Is there any chance for anybody to show up here? I'm alone here. Well, there are people in the offices, but my Indian friend, my Indian friend is not showing up anytime, not any minute near. So, I'm happily being Indian. Bye for now. I'm about to leave. My Indian friend still hasn't showed up, and I think